Welcome to our introduction for NFTs. Non-Fungible Tokens, NFTs, have been in the news a lot recently. They're a relatively new thing, and people have already begun to capitalize on the craze. You want to know more about NFTs and how you can profit from them. This training provides all the information and advice you'll need. In this powerful training, you'll learn what NFTs are and what they are not. You'll also learn how NFTs work and how you can easily create them. You'll discover the best ways to promote NFTs and how to find investing and flipping opportunities for profit. You must approach NFTs in the right way to get the best results. You'll learn how to avoid the mistakes others have already made. Everything you need to know about NFTs and how to profit from them is in this powerful training.